All right, welcome back. More breaking news on our watch this morning. I want to bring in our reporter in Pretoria, Sipho Stuurman. He's covering an accident there, a major accident that is taking place. Sipho, tell us more.
Well, a very good morning to you, Blaine, and our viewers at home. We are on Francis Bard in Pretoria. It's quite a busy street here in the capital city. Now, of course, we know today is that a national taxi strike by the National Taxi Association, NTA, marching to the Union building. So what has happened, we have seen a number of taxis blockading a number of routes here in Pretoria, and of course preventing commuters from taking any taxis to get to their place of work. And what has happened is that now one of the taxis that were participating in this taxi strike and march that's due to go to the Union buildings got into an accident with another vehicle. Now I'm sure you can just see here on your shots one of the quantums here has crashed into a traffic light, and of course police and metro officials are here monitoring the scene. Another taxi has also, I should be right there in your visuals, has also crashed into a traffic light. Now, what are we being told? Of course, we don't have an official spokesperson, but just from finding out from some of the people that are here and speaking to the metro on the sidelines, what has happened is that one taxi was loading passengers, which infuriated the other taxis that are on strike currently. And then what has then happened is that a chase-off ensued between the taxis that are on strike and the taxi that was loading passengers. So as they were chasing the taxi that was loading passengers, then this one taxi then got involved into this accident and colliding with another mini taxi bus vehicle. Now what we understand is that two people are currently got injuries, and now they are currently being treated in this ambulance that should be on your shot. They are currently receiving medical attention from health officials. Of course, we know that there is this ongoing NTA protest taking place here in Pretoria. The National Taxi Alliance is marching to the Department of Transport, and then subsequently it will go to the Union buildings. They have complaints regarding that taxi, COVID relief fund. They're saying that they have not yet received some of those funds, even though our Transport Minister, Fikile Mbalula, had announced that 1 billion rand had been placed aside to assist taxis that had been impacted by COVID. But some of these associations say they have not received that money. We know also that NTA did not participate in that recent national taxi imbizo that was held by the Transport Ministry in October as part of a Transport Month. So a number of issues, but what I can tell you right now, the taxis that are participating in this taxi strike has gotten into an accident, crashing with another vehicle, injuring two people. Now, interestingly, the officials are trying to get the details of the driver of the taxi here, and the driver does not seem to have his license with him here, and the officials are trying to get his details. So we don't know if the driver of the taxi that caused this accident will be detained or not, but officials are still trying to get his contact, his details and his license. Plain. All right,
Sipho Stuurman live for us in the capital there. Thank you very much indeed for that. Come back to us with any update with regards to not only the strike but also this accident there.